ROVE R2-4K, your ultimate car dashboard camera experience. Experience the pinnacle of recording clarity with the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam, capturing videos in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution up to 2160p. Unveil exceptional footage clarity and quality with the innovative Super Night Vision technology, integrating a 6-glass lens, F1.5 Aperture, and SONY IMX335, ensuring crystal clear visuals even in low light conditions. Stay connected and manage recording swiftly via the ROVE app using the built-in Wi-Fi 6 feature. Seamlessly download your 4K videos to your iOS or Android device at lightning speed, reaching up to 6 megabytes per second. Share your memorable drives instantly on social media, providing friends and family with your adventures in remarkable detail. Navigate your driving journey with precision using the built-in GPS feature, accurately recording your driving location and speed. Access your driving route and tracker on Google Maps through Wi-Fi or the ROVE GPS Player. Enjoy hassle-free firmware updates through the ROVE app, ensuring your dash cam stays updated effortlessly. Navigate your driving journey with precision using the built-in GPS feature, accurately recording your driving location and speed. Access your driving route and tracker on Google Maps through Wi-Fi or the ROVE GPS Player. Enjoy hassle-free firmware updates through the ROVE app, ensuring your dash cam stays updated effortlessly.